there. And boom, it's just like that. So what we'll do is we'll mark that out. Now since this is black and my marker was black, I'm going to use like a scribe or something to mark that out. Because we're cutting with metal, you might want to spray your, anytime you're cutting metal, if you take like some lubricant, like some WD-40 or something, and spray that, lubricate your tip, it'll make your drill bits last longer. Not sure where my lubricant is, and these aren't going to be too many holes, so just go ahead and get it knocked out. Alright, so that's all of our holes. Now the next thing we'll do is we'll put our lid on there. Our door. Sit like that. As you can see, you'll put your wood down in there. Like so, the wood will go in there. You got your place for your exhaust smoke. That's going to be a nice, really nice heater. And of course, with it being a metal barrel, it's going to hold the heat and displace it. Alright, so we're going to finish it up. And we'll be right back. And there it is. Check it out. Stove in action. Putting out some nice heat now too. Of course, when we put it inside, we'll have a flue and stuff like that. And we'll also have the piping, so we can pipe the smoke out of it. But just wanted to show you that, YouTube. Whew, I can feel the heat standing over here. That's nice. Ooh, that's nice and warm.